Good evening, my family and friends, to AAZ Slots. And also my loyal subscribers. So hopefully everybody's having a good evening today. We're in front of Turquoise Treasures. 50 cents denom. We got $48 in the machine. We're gonna go ahead and hit 1, 2, and 3 bets from 50 cents, $1 to $1.50. Let's see how Turquoise Treasures is nice to AAZ Slots. Once we're finished with it, hopefully you guys can go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And for those of you that have not yet subscribed to AAZ Slots, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we have more videos on their way coming in. Hopefully you guys had a good Christmas. And also get prepared for the new year, 2024. And here we go. We're hitting $1. Hopefully you guys can see the card. Wow, that would have been nice. That 500 just hitting, coming around. We have yet to get a hit. Come on there, Turquoise. There we got 4. And 2 with the red screen. 7. Now 40. Those eyes. And private stripes. And an open diamond. Not bad at all, Starting out with 40. Oh, come on there. We got 4, and that was open diamond. Eyeballs. Oh my gosh, 500. Well, hit 3. Come on now. Hey, we got open diamond. We're getting there. That 500 just popping around. Oh my gosh. Come on, 500. Right here. Well, you was there, but bring y'all down here. That would have been great. I didn't quite like that fizzing out of there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we got money back. Let's go down to 20. Well, we got 20 out of that one. 20 credits. Two credits out of that one. You got red spin. Those eyeballs. Got 14, a little dipper. Got the eyeballs again. Keep going. Oh, we got 8, 10 credits. Oh, 500, I tell you what. Got 4 out of that one. Got, what was that one? That was a small diamond there. So let's do the last 3. Oh, that 500. I tell you what, it's going to be. Take the last one. Well, I thought it would be the last one. We got 8. Well, I tell you what, 500. There you are. Well, I tell you what, it's up and down, up and down. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, so just go hit that thumbs up. And for those of you that have not subscribed yet for AAZ Slots, go ahead and do so. Turquoise Treasures, we're going back and forth, tug of war. We'll go ahead and just call it a day. So y'all take care now. And you guys, if I haven't talked to you, if you haven't talked celebrating it yet, have a happy new year, and we'll see you on the next one.